In this video, I will show you how to buy meme coins on Phantom Wallet. So to get started, go ahead and open Phantom Wallet on your device. Now, first things first, make sure that you have enough Ethereum cryptocurrency on your wallet. So to do that, go ahead and click on the Ethereum cryptocurrency on this list and receive Ethereum. So make sure that you deposit Ethereum from another wallet or buy an Ethereum cryptocurrency on Phantom Wallet using your credit or debit card. You can go ahead and buy it in here, and you'll need to enter the specific amount of money that you want to deposit in exchange for a specific amount of Ethereum on Phantom Wallet. Now, once you have actually deposited or transferred in Ethereum cryptocurrency amount on your wallet, go ahead and head over into this section. And here, go ahead and search for meme coin. So meme coin is a token with a base network of Ethereum. So you can only swap your cryptocurrency into meme coin if you have an Ethereum cryptocurrency. Go ahead and hit on that swap button to swap your Ethereum cryptocurrency into meme coin. So you'll need to enter the amount of Ethereum cryptocurrency that you want to swap into meme coin and confirm the swapping. And that is how you can simply buy meme coin on Phantom Wallet. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.